Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. But before start the video, I request to share your feedback in comment section regarding the informative playlist session. Also comments which language you prefer to use in upcoming videos, like Urdu, Hindi. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now get ready to make your bashing animated overlay for live stream. Let's start. To make the overlay more attractive, we need only 2 applications and make sure you follow all the steps carefully, so watch the video till end. In first step, go to the Play Store and download Canva Photo Editor. In this video, we'll only explain the animation overlay process. For photos editing, we'll share the tutorial in my next video, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel. As I already downloaded the Canva application, so let's open the application. Go to the search bar and type Neon. You will find multiple templates and majority of it are free. Design should be selected according to your logo theme or name. I like this design. So let's quickly edit the logo. Once the design is done, save the file in your gallery or folder. Now, let's jump to the Play Store again and download Video to GIF Converter. By the way, both applications are free and available on iOS and Android stores. Open app and click on plus sign and select the file from gallery. After selecting the file, extract the video frame. Now here is the important part. What you need to do is to increase the width up to 600 to 650 in between, and height minimum 1400 up to 1500. You can adjust the height according to your overlay size. Once you set the dimensions, click on Preview. Now what you need to do is to click on left bottom corner to save the file and save the file as image. Now open your Stream application. I selected StreamChamp and already made a tutorial on StreamChamp for live streaming. Link available in description. Please note, if link not copy or open on mobile, please open YouTube and browser and you can copy easily from there. In StreamChamp, click on Overlay and add photo from the gallery and click on Fill button and adjust as per space. Wow, I hope you like the video. Please comments if you like the video, and also share the topics which you wants to learn, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks. Looking forward to your love and support.